Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing bumble7.com. So as you can see right here, we have it here pulled up on the Google search tab. And as you can see, if you actually click on their website right here, it says bumble7.com. And take note of the site and the URL. And if we click on that, it actually takes us to another website here, which is called honey7.com. And as you can see, they're named Honey7 right now. And basically, if you don't know what this site does, it is basically a task scam. So if you log in and enter your email or your password, basically they give you tasks, and then basically they promise to pay you for completing those said simple tasks. And if you're wondering if this site is legit, the short answer is no. It is too good to be true. And as you can see here on Reddit, somebody asked, I'm guessing Bubble7, whatever it is a scam. And yes, many people are saying that it is a scam. So this is a exclamation point task scam, standard task scam, and a lot of people are saying that this is a scam. So here also on Quora, this person said it's a scam. After 3 referrals, you're supposed to get paid, and I got 4. They logged me out and couldn't get back in. Did the same thing to the people I referred. And yeah, that is basically it. So that is basically enough evidence to provide that bumble7.com is a scam. So please enter your information into this account, and it is basically a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.